When I first started to learn how to cook, cooking big proteins was certainly intimidating to me. I mean, it was easy to throw chicken breasts in the oven or cook little things like that. But when it came to roasts, I really was nervous and thought I was gonna screw it up. So welcome to the Silly Kitchen, where we are doing a very simple pork loin roast cook today. I will walk you through a couple easy steps, give you some tips on seasoning, and away we go. I buy really great quality cuts of meat. This is a pork loin roast from Farmway Foods, so I've thawed it out in the sink and I am preheating my oven to 350 degrees. I ran out of gloves, so what I'm gonna do is use a little sandwich bag because I have trouble kind of cleaning all in between my little nails and stuff like that when you really start rubbing different meats. I really do need to make sure that I keep gloves on hand. If anybody has any recommendations on reusable gloves, I would really love it. Give me a comment below. But anyway, before we do that, what I've done is I have put some dry rosemary, 3 cloves of fresh garlic, just mince them in there, and olive oil into this little bowl just to soak together. So all I'm gonna do is kind of start pouring it onto my pork. There's lots there. And then I'm just gonna rub it in. Easy as that. And just make sure you spread out all that rosemary on the sides and on a little bit of the bottom there too. Oh my God, that fresh garlic smells amazing. And that is all you need to do to a pork loin roast. If you want, you can add some salt and pepper. That also works. And we're gonna put this in the oven at, like I said, 350 degrees. And you wanna cook it about 20-25 minutes per pound. The best way to make sure that you know that your loin is done is get yourself a meat thermometer. That way you can make sure that it's at the temperature that you want. I think the recommendation is 145 internal temperature for pork. I kind of like it a little closer to 150, just my preference, but whatever you want to do. And away we go. We're going to put this in the oven and wait. Okay, I am taking the pork out of the oven, and like I said, I have no idea if it's done or not because I need to check the temperature. So as close to the middle as I can, and we are reading 151, so a little bit more than it needs to be, but I'm kind of pressing on it. I can see how how juicy it is. So I am not worried that it's overcooked. And look at this, I have this beautiful skin right here that crisped up nicely. I think this roast is ready to be eaten. A quick and easy transfer off camera in order for me to give it a slice. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at all the juices coming out. That looks so good. I'm drooling a little bit. I love when a good roast comes out and you can see all that delicious juice still. Like, it's overcooked dry meat. Not fun. I will tell you that. And that was kind of my fear going into cooking when I first started and making these roasts. But I promise you, get that thermometer out and it will not do you wrong. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm losing my words. I am going to go photograph this because I want to take a bite, but I really need to make sure that I take a great picture of it first. Life of a recipe developer and food photographer. Thank you for coming by this Silly Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this really quick and simple episode, just how to cook a pork loin roast. Thank you again. I will see you soon. I hope. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Till next time.